Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. We're going to start, we're going to continue with the other controllers today. Let's have a look what, what we done previous lesson. We finished about controller and what we have the next one, category. Let's continue with the category. Add controller category controller. Can I do a copy paste and change everything what we need later? Um, let's add let's add area first and private read-only I category service structure has been generated. Now I would like to copy and paste rest of the codes. Control C, Control V. Alright, I have a category service. Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, and Control V. Alright, now I'm going to get the category name and I'm going to start to change everything. Category list, category list, get all list async, category list, add category, category add view model, add category async, get category list, category area admin, update category is the name, get category by ID. If you use same pattern for every name of everything, so you can change copy and paste methods quickly like what I'm doing right now. Update category, category update, update category async, get category list, category, delete a category, again category and category. Hold on. Yeah, here we go. And Control RG, we cleaned displays, perfect. Alright. Let's create our category list page. Add view, browser view, add. It's going to be layout page. Select from here, admin view, shared and layout. Perfect. Let's create our listen method. I'm waiting the page to be created by the Visual Studio. Come on, Visual Studio. Alright, okay. Add model. It's going to be list category list remodel control dot cut that namespace. Where are you? Weave imports. Alright. Edit. Now we need a table, guys. I am going to get my table from here. Actually, I'm gonna get all of them. This is the table, right? Yeah. Card title, category. Dashboard is done. category, categories. These are categories, right? All right. Header credit. I'm gonna check what we have here now. Okay, let's have a look. We have a name, just name, so created updated name. Yeah, give a name. Do I need a priority? Nah. Nah. Okay. So we have a name, created, update, delete, and edit. So we need a name, created, updated, edit, update about. No, it's going to be category, right? Category, Control C, Control V. Let's change those two as well. And this is going to be edit, ID, 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 all done. Yeah, perfect. It's very good. Do I need anything? Let's finish. Let's have a look. Is it working or not? Speed category, view category list. Yeah, project and siteworks. We have two category here. They didn't update it yet, so that's why those are empty. I'm gonna change the color of my button. So it's going to be warning. Yeah, it's a danger and warning. Very good. And we need an add button. But controller, no, not controller. Sorry about that. Where is the about? The about list. Control C, close that one, and I can put them here. Control C, Control V, and add category, add category. All right, now have a look. Not about. Get a category list. Perfect. Add category here. All right. Dashboard. There is a problem here. Let's delete it. Where is it? Yeah, that one. Perfect. It's done. Okay. Let's go back to controller. We need to add category page, add view, browser view. Everything is set up. Waiting to the page to be created. Come on, Visual Studio. Come on, come on, come on. Alright. Model, category, add vModel. Perfect. Now I'm going to add my form. So all I need just a name. Do I need anything else? No, just name. So it is going to be a one line form. Where is my about? At about, yeah. Let's copy that form. Actually, copy all of them. Delete everything. And I don't need those two. Name, name. name and name. All right, and I'm gonna change those. Category, add category, and I don't need that one because I don't have any I won't have any image here. Post, add category, category admin. All right, all set. Let's create the update and we can try after all. Category, where is the controller? Yep, update, add view, browser view. All right. Let's see how many minutes has been gone. It's 10, almost 11. Alright, we still have time. We're going to finish our category. Model category update model, and let's bring our form from add section. Should I put a breadcrumb here? Yeah. Why yes, I need to copy that breadcrumb as well. The category, add new category, and dashboard is okay. Add, this is going to be category, get category list, categories. Perfect. Alright, let's copy all of them to the update page, and let's amend the names. Update category, go back to categories. It's going to be update category, update category, post method. Everything is same, all done. And let's go back to the list again. Is delete correct? Alright, it must be work without any error, I guess. Let's try, guys. Oops, I remember something. Let's close that one. Never forget add your input hidden informations, because we need to send ID and row version while updating our a property, a row, I mean, a data, whatever you called, for ID and row version. Now we are good. Now we can try. I'm gonna teach you the row version later. Just keep cavity data from one to another. Let's add category, name test category, submit. Here we go. Edit test category 2, submit, all done, and let's delete it, and it's gone. Perfect. It's working. Let's have a look quickly. Did we miss anything? All done, all done. Let's close our pages. Category controllers. Okay, alright. Save them all, minimize. Okay, guys, let's finish this lesson here. And we're going to continue with the other controllers next lesson. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.